What must be added to make each of the following a perfect square? Okay, solution. The first thing, let me just add k here, right? Now let me see, my k is equal to what? Half of coefficient of x, which is minus half here, everything was square, right? Now this one will give us what? 1, 2 times 2, 4. We have 1 over 4 square, which is what? 1 over 16, right? That is x square can be what? X square minus half, okay, minus half plus what? 1 over 16, right? That is, we can have x square x minus what? 1 over 4. So everything was square. So this is the answer. Now question number 2. Let's look at the question number 2 here. Question number 2. Y square minus 3y over 4. So what must be added here to make it to perfect square? Let me also add k, right? Here now we have, you can see, to get the value of k now, it's going to be what? Half of what? Coefficient of y, which is for minus 3 over what? Minus 3 over 4. Everything was square. This one will be what? Minus 3 over 8, right? Everything was square. That is, we have 9 over 64. So 9 over 4 must be added to make it a perfect square. So we can have y square minus 3 over 4y plus what? 9 over 64. That is, we can have y minus 3 over 8. Everything was square. So this is the answer.